आप क्या करना चाहते हैं अपनी जिंदगी के साथ, ये सिर्फ आपकी ही चॉइस होनी चाहिए. Whether you want to be married, you don't want to be married, whether you want to get married at the age of 50, whether you want to get married and then not be married. I think it has to be about your choice. Empowerment, it is this. Empowerment is claiming your power to your life back and being ready for whatever comes with it.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Lovely to see you, my favorite person. We've been meeting regularly, actually.
Yes, we have been pretty regular, I must say, in spite of the COVID.
Totally. And I have been so intrigued with Shadi Sthan because ये एक स्थान है which I have like comfortably avoided saying कि I don't want to be a resident of this स्थान. But दूसरों को बड़ी वो प्रॉब्लम होती है कि भैया तुम क्यों नहीं यहाँ पर जाना चाहती हो?
तुम हमारे कम्युनिटी का हिस्सा क्यों नहीं बनना चाहते हो?
Exactly. I mean, it works for some, it doesn't work for some, and each to his own. तो हाल ही में क्या हुआ? In the professional space, एक महिला, they think that पति है, 2 बच्चे हैं, सोशल मीडिया पे रोज अच्छी पिक्चरें लगाते हैं, तो हमारा जीवन सुकून है. Turns around and single shames me in an editorial meeting, saying that how I had worked for 25 years and not gotten married. Us time I didn't have a repartee, and I was thinking, how does it make a difference what my personal status is? आप क्या कहेंगी?
Oh my God, Pooja, पहले तो मेरी बात कराइए उनसे. मैं उनसे एक जरूर मुलाकात करना चाहूंगी. But you're so right about this, Pooja, and I think that's one of the very pertinent questions that is the basic premise of the film, which basically talks about आप क्या करना चाहते हैं अपनी जिंदगी के साथ, ये सिर्फ आपकी ही चॉइस होनी चाहिए. Whether you want to be married, you don't want to be married, whether you want to get married at the age of 50, whether you want to get married and then not be married. I think it has to be about your choice. That freedom of choice is something that nobody should have the right to take from you. Like, in fact, it's your right, and everyone has that right, and I so wish that everyone is brought up in a space, हमारा जो family system है, हमारा जो family atmosphere होता है, I so wish कि बचपन से ही ये एक ऐसी healthy और खूबसूरत space दी जाए कि there should be a space for discussion, कि कौन क्या करना चाहता है, क्यों करना चाहता है, and after that, if somebody still says, you know what, I understand everyone's point of view, but this is what I still want to do. They should be completely allowed that freedom, yaar. So I am with you on the fact कि पूजा, जब तक तुम्हें सही ना लगे, कुछ मत करियो, और you are responsible for your own life and your choices, and whatever the consequences are, just know what you're doing and stand by it, man. Stand by yourself, stand for yourself.
And Kirti, I mean, sadly, these are women who are so-called educated, call themselves feminist, but so conditioned. I wonder why this happens. It's in the society. If you split up, you are asked why. If you choose not to get married, why? How does it make a difference? That's exactly what you've said.
No, absolutely. And you are very right. I was just telling somebody before this कि this हमें लगता है कि जो educated लोग हैं वो ऐसा नहीं सोचते हैं. This is not an education problem. This is not a class problem. This is a mindset problem. This is a conditioning problem. और वो conditioning, चाहे आप किसी भी strata से belong करें, चाहे आप कहीं भी रह रहे हो दुनिया में, you could be living in America, but you could still have this mindset where you are like, शादी तो करनी पड़ेगी. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is a problem of our conditioning, our social structure, and what we are fed from the very beginning, without, very unconsciously. ना हमारे माँ बाप को पता होता है कि वो, they are just passing on what they know, and we as kids, जब बच्चे होते हैं, छोटे होते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा what do you say sensitive होते हैं. They are absorbing everything like a sponge, and we just absorb it, you know. I was telling someone the other day कि शायद मेरे घर में कभी ऐसे खुल के बातें भी नहीं हुई होंगी कि of course बेटा बड़े होके शादी करनी है, ये है वो है, but just being in that माहौल and what you see around, you start believing कि यार this is life. लाइफ यही ऐसे ही मूव करेगी. मैं पढ़ाई करूंगी, जॉब करूंगी, शादी करूंगी, बच्चे करूंगी, यही आपको लगता है, यही आपकी चॉइस है, you know. And to realize that in choosing all that is also when you are making, like in choosing that also you're making a choice. Absolutely. I really say that everything is a choice. You are making a choice whether you know it or not, you know. And the sooner you know it, the sooner you become aware of, oh my God, this is my life. And what I am choosing for myself, knowingly, unknowingly, subconsciously, unconsciously, it's my responsibility, you know. So I think the sooner you can claim that power back, the sooner you can make something out of yourself that you will be proud of. You know, not your parents, not your teachers, not your friends, not your partner, but you will be proud of. And there is, when you talk about empowerment, it is this. Empowerment is claiming your power to your life back and being ready for whatever comes with it.
I agree with that, and I wish women would do that, empower each other instead of single shaming. So when the lady in question would put up social media posts, I said, at least I can celebrate my own milestone for what I am.
Absolutely.
I didn't feel bad for a moment, but well, guess that's the way she's conditioned. So I pity उनकी बेटी को, कितना बोलती होंगी, बड़े होके शादी करने हैं, बच्चे करने हैं, उसके बाद whatever. But आप ये शादीस्थान में कैसे घुसे? ये आप बताओ. Sasha, you resonated with Sasha?
I resonate. See, if I don't resonate with the character, Pooja, you will not see me doing it. You know, even if it's an Anuradha Chandra of CJ, you know, who's a victim of marital rape and abuse. If I don't resonate, I will not do it. And resonating with the character is not always about, "Acha, ye mere saath hua hai kya?" No, you know, when you start growing as a person, you start growing as an actor, you start realizing कि आपकी जो समझ है human behavior को लेके, you know, कि as humans how complex we are, how gray we can be, how black we can be, and मतलब there is no limit to human behavior. मतलब मुझे आज मैं इस स्टेज पे हूँ कि मुझे कुछ भी पढ़ के ऐसा नहीं लगता कि oh my God, ये कैसे हो सकता है, ऐसे तो कोई कर ही नहीं सकता. I'm like, there is this understanding which only comes from a place of understanding कि सब हो सकता है. और इनफैक्ट आप ज्यादातर जो टीवी पे देखते हैं उससे बहुत ज्यादा लोग capable होते हैं करने के, you know. And you are the same, you are in the profession, you know, kind of news you hear, it's almost unbelievable. So for me, Sasha happened in a way that Raj has been a dear friend for quite some time, and he was really, you know, looking forward to wanting to make this film, you know, first film of his, and really wanting to break into the industry, you know. And of course, he has done some wonderful work as an actor and as a writer, and he wanted to, you know, break into it as a director, as like a with a film, and. It always I'm always a little scared when somebody I know personally comes to me and says, "Kya hum, you know, would you like to look at this?" Because I hate to kind of do something. I don't like doing personal favors in terms of, मतलब मैं अगर नहीं relate कर पाऊंगी तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी आपके लिए, no matter who you are to me. Like it'll become very tough for me. And thankfully, what he came with, and I was like, this is damn interesting, yeah. You know, like there's something so so important here. There's something so important being spoken about, being discussed here, and being discussed in a very simple way. You know, it's a very simple film. It's a slice of life. It's a 90 minutes film. आप शुरू करेंगे और खत्म हो जाएगी. बहुत easy breezy है. पर फिर भी वो it leaves you with something. You know, it leaves you pondering over questions that you have probably avoided or not, bothered thinking about. And again, and on top of that, Sasha as a character, like, I was like, dude, this is like, she's like the coolest person I've ever met, like as a character on paper and in life. And she really, really intrigued me in a way that, like, Sasha on the surface, when you see her, there's a certain cliche to her in terms of, acha ye aisi hai, a free spirited hai, ye hai, wo hai, bold hai, confident hai. But that's not it. Sasha has so much to her. There are so many layers to her, and who she is today is result of so much that she's probably gone through, and so many like she's super grounded, and she's like, you see her as a very like live and let live wala jo concept hota hai, wo usko samajh chuki hai aur wo usko jeeti hai. And at the same time, she's somebody who's super sensitive. Like when you see her in the film, what's happening to this third person who they have just met like 4 hours back is none of her business. Like, you can be like, whatever, yaar, khud ki zindagi hai, sambhalo jo bhi hai. But she gets so affected by it purely out of just being co-human, that when you are so centered, you start empathizing, you start understanding others in such a beautiful way that you want to reach out. You are not being what do you say, आप कोई मतलब दुनिया बदलने नहीं चले हो, but आप अपने दायरे में, you just become that person who wants to reach out. And so Sasha for me was super intriguing to kind of uncover as a character. And the fact that she's a singer, and I've had this huge fascination with music, of course, but also with musicians, with being a rock star, like I'm just so fascinated by them. And this was my chance to kind of show that on screen. So yeah, it just fell in place with the film.
So what would happen if Anjana, Falak, Indu, Anuradha were on Shadistan with Sasha? Kya ho?
I think by the end of it, they'll all become Sasha. Like, they will all turn into Sasha, and Sasha would make sure they do.
Awesome. And also, you have a very strong face. A very strong face. So, aapko characters bhi also, I have a feeling that I met you first, when you were very quiet in that interaction, playing Falak in Pink, but over the years, I've seen you grow, with Indu, with Anjana, with Anuradha. But your face is very strong. Do you sometimes feel that filmmakers tend to come to you saying, strong character hai, yehi karenge, kabhi-kabhi aapko man karta hai something light, breezy bhi kar lu main?
हाँ, but light, breezy, यार जो समझने वाले हैं ना filmmakers, they know, like, my face has got, I mean, I'm sure there are similar strong faces doing only light breezy, you know what I mean, in Bollywood. So, I mean, it's got nothing to do with me. It's got to do with how people see me, how directors see me, how much they can see. And honestly, Pooja, like, इतना सब पोर्ट्रे करने के बाद भी मतलब लोगों को अब भी अगर समझ नहीं आता है तो फिर you know what, I don't want to work with such people. So I would rather move on to people who just have a little more vision, not little more, actually. I'll not settle for little more, who can really see through you, so yeah.
So I mean, I like the premise. I like your dialogue also, where she says, "हम जैसी औरतें लड़ती हैं कि आप जैसी औरतों को लड़ना ना
अपनी दुनिया में लड़ाई ना करनी पड़े, और जिस दुनिया में आप आरशी को भेज रही हैं उसमें उसको बहुत लड़ाई करनी पड़ेगी."
And that's like so empowering. Women are making those efforts. Sometimes I think the men push them forward to make that. Sometimes their own pride might get them, but which is that one steal. And I'm happy to see these narratives where women are exploring their choices, their sexuality, and seeing things through the feminine gaze. But ऐसा कौन सा stereotype है आप wish करती हैं कि retire कर दो, and even from the female gaze इसे निकाल दो, बस अब निकाल दो इसको.
I think this idea of marriage, which we started the interview with, yeah. No, really, like, it's time. I mean, it's time to make a hawa, to stop making a hawa out of marriage, and judging a woman's success or prosperity or happiness in life on the basis of अच्छा आपकी शादी हुई है या नहीं हुई है, बाकी तो आपने जो किया है वो किया है, बट मुद्दे की बात बताइए, शादी की है नहीं की है। अच्छा शादी करके आपका सेपरेशन हो गया, डिवोर्स हो गया, ओहो फिर तो मतलब कुछ गड़बड़ रही होगी। सो you know what I'm saying, this all these ideas around marriage that are just floating all around us. I think it's really time to, you know, let it go and just look at life from other perspectives, yeah, which I think a lot of women have started to now. Like there are women who are making choices of not being married, you know, and they're becoming okay with that. And I think it should start becoming clearly a matter of individual choice and nothing that reflects on the character of a woman, you know.
So I liked one meme that was, let's normalize sharing a villa with 5 of your best friends at the age of 60 and only having dogs around.
Absolutely. Absolutely. If that's what you want, go for it, man.
Totally. But lovely to see you. Looking forward to the film. आखिरकार इसके बाद क्या? 4 more shots शुरू होने वाला है आपका season 4, Emmy तक भी
season 3 यार। हाँ तो मतलब मैं भी चाहती कि हम season 4 तक पहुंच गए होते, क्योंकि जिस तरह से delays चल रहे हैं, I'm like season 4 ही कर लो यार। So of course there's season 3 that we are going to start resume shooting for now. There's a series called Human with Shefali Shah, which Vipul Shah is producing and directing with Moses Singh. That's something super duper interesting. So that's something you'll have very soon this year itself. And I have a couple of very interesting short films. And बाकी देखते हैं यार। I mean, the whole world is in a daze. अभी धीरे-धीरे सबको होश आएगा, सब संभालेंगे, उसके बाद आगे और काम होगा।
Totally, and I'm very happy for you because Falak se lekar Sasha tak, I've been part of your journey and I've enjoyed every moment of it.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much for being there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You take care.
Yeah.
See you, Baba.
And जिसको जाना जाए, हम लोग अपना vacation
और please देखना, तुम भी देखना, अपने mom dad को भी दिखाना। Seriously, मैं चाहूंगी कि सब साथ में बैठ के ये फिल्म देखें। और फिर ऐसे होगा, जैसे कोई relevant चीज आएगी जो तुम्हें जरूरी है, you look at your mom to see her reaction, कि उनका क्या reaction होगा।
Actually been the coolest with me.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing to have.
Yeah,
it's amazing to have parents like that.
Makes you happy. She says it's better to have you the way you are than being miserable in what you don't want to be.
You know, I just so wish and pray that parents just offered this one thing to their kids from the very beginning, saying, whatever makes you happy. Really, whatever makes you happy. Like, keep repeating it to your child, man, till the child knows that this is the only thing that matters. So, yeah.
Totally. Thank you. More power to you.
Thank you, Pooja. Same to you. Bye. Thank you, Baba. Bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.